That device in your hand? The one you're probably watching this on? Or the car silently gliding past your window? They share a secret. A tiny powerhouse making it all happen. The lithium-ion battery. We are utterly dependent. But here's the billion-dollar question no one was asking until now. What happens when the miracle dies? Because they are dying, in droves. And what if I told you that this Everest of dead batteries, this ticking environmental time bomb everyone's whispering about, isn't a disaster? We are living in a time where we are drowning in opportunity, and the real waste is not seeing it. Think about it. Every single year, we are talking millions of tons of these batteries hitting the scrap heap. Imagine stadiums piled high, and the old way, scoffs, landfills, a slow-motion catastrophe, leaching toxic cocktails into our earth. A shameful waste of resources we literally rip from the planet. We dig, we build, we use, we toss. This take, make, dispose highway is a dead-end street paved with, well, our future. As entrepreneurs, innovators, problem solvers, does that sit right with you? This isn't just an eco headache, it's a colossal, screaming inefficiency. And where there's a problem this big, there's a fortune to be made for those smart enough to see it. But what if these dead batteries aren't dead at all? What if they're just sleeping giants packed with treasure? The incredible news? This isn't science fiction. The revolution is already here. Visionaries, the rebels, the entrepreneurs like you, are proving right now that cracking open these power cells isn't just doable, it's becoming insanely profitable. We are talking about turning toxic liabilities into high-value assets, spinning landfill fodder into gold. This is where the entrepreneurial X-ray vision kicks in, seeing a diamond mine where everyone else just sees a pile of rocks. So, where's your entry point into this boom? Forget one size fits all. This is a sprawling, dynamic ecosystem, and it's calling for pioneers in every niche. The logistics lords, imagine being the vital circulatory system. The tech titans, got a passion for breakthrough science. The second life saviors, here's a mind bender. Many EV batteries are retired with 70 to 80% of their life still intact. This isn't a niche hobby. This is a seismic shift fueled by unstoppable megatrends. The EV tsunami is just hitting the shore. The global demand for green energy is insatiable. Nations are desperate for resource security. They need these materials back. The field is wide open for you. From game-changing battery health tracking software to designing modular, scalable recycling plants, the demand is baked in. The runway is clear. This isn't just a gold rush, it's a green gold rush, and it's happening with or without you. Okay, let's hit the pause button on the hype for a second. Is this easy? No. Starting any venture, especially one this technically complex, is a climb. Yes. For some parts, you'll need capital. Yes, there are safety and environmental regulations, and thank goodness for them. And yes, the tech is evolving at lightning speed, so you better love learning. But let me ask you, when has a real entrepreneur ever seen a challenge and backed down? These aren't stop signs. They're filters. They're the hurdles that separate the dreamers from the doers. The pioneers already blazing this trail, they're finding genius funding hacks, forging powerful alliances, and staying nimble. They know the prize isn't just profit, it's building something that matters. But here's the catch. High-potential industries like this demand smart decisions. Navigating those hurdles, the right market timing, understanding the deep technical know-how, ensuring your idea is truly feasible, that's absolutely key to success. You need more than just passion. You need a roadmap. And frankly, that's where having a seasoned guide can make all the difference. For over 30 years, we've been in the trenches with businesses like yours, helping them turn ambition into actionable, profitable ventures. We specialize in providing the clarity you need to move forward with confidence. Thinking about capital? We deliver detailed techno-economic feasibility reports so you know the real numbers. Unsure about the market? We provide deep market research and trend analysis to find your sweet spot. Daunted by the setup? We assist with equipment and raw material planning, even process flow diagrams and manufacturing details. Need to see the bottom line? We build complete financial projections projections and ROI analysis so you can pitch with power. And if you have a unique vision that doesn't fit a template, we thrive on that. We'll build a customized plan for you from the ground up, because your groundbreaking idea deserves a bespoke strategy. So, if you're serious about turning all this data, all this potential, into decisive action, if you're ready to build something truly impactful in this battery revolution, then let's talk. You can find our contact details, phone number and email right there in the description below. Are you feeling it? That itch? That little electric jolt in your gut? That's the innovator inside you recognizing a fundamental shift, a genuine, landscape-altering opportunity. This isn't just about making money. It's about building the future, sustainably. Don't just watch from the sidelines. Dive in, devour the research, find that specific niche within battery recycling that sets your mind on fire. Hunt down the experts out there. Sketch out that business plan on a napkin if you have to, but start. The world is crying out for your audacity, your grit, your vision. This isn't just another business trend, it's a chance to be part of a critical solution to a global problem and get richly rewarded for it. The lithium-ion battery recycling bonanza is here. It's now. It's huge. And the only question left, the one that really matters, is, and hey, before you go, if you want to stay ahead of the curve with more insights on profitable opportunities and future-ready industries just like this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Your next big move could start right here with the knowledge we share.